Alright, what's up, y'all? Peace, love, and light. Part 2 of this. Because I reached the video size limit. But you guys know if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do this by sending us an email, info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, make sure you guys follow us. We post on a regular. If you ever hear me quiet, because I'm in the forest and I hear certain animals. So I try not to make too much noise to hear out and listen. But it's alright. I'll make this video as far as shit. Nigga, that's a frog. Oh, I told us to say. There it is, right there. Whew. Almost accidentally ended the video by switching out the camera. Ace, come here, nigga. Ace. Look. You are a dumbass. I swear to God, sometimes you're just not alerted. Ace, come here. Look. You don't even see the frog, you idiot. I swear to God. Just look at it. Can you look? Come here. Ace, look. Man, give a frick. Anyway, freaking dog. So, as I was saying, as far as my face paint, I needed to get back to doing things that I wanted to do. Because I just had this feeling where I was just kind of like, I wasn't really doing much as far as what I wanted to do. Because I'm just literally waiting to get the frick up out of here. You guys know that. You guys freaking know that. I think I just got a cobweb in my eyelid. So it's like I'm waiting to get the frick up out of here so I can get back to what I've got to do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is beautiful. Yep, told ya. Birds took off. But like I said, man, I just needed to get back to doing things that I wanted to do. Because I wasn't doing stuff that I really wanted to do. I really felt exhausted. I felt tired. Just being around a narcissist, really. Being around a narcissist is just like, I mean, he wakes up literally hating. Got something negative to say to me. Not a greeting, but just something negative. I'm tired of being woken up out of my sleep, cut by him. You know what I'm saying? I really am. I'm just tired of it. And I'm like, the narcissist, they want a reaction. They want a reaction. It's just like, come on, man. Get the frick up out of here. Get the frick up out of here. I'm waiting on something so I can leave. I'm sure you can guess, but I gotta leave. That's supposed to be there. It feels like it's well overdue. I've been waiting for too freaking long. So I get the frick up out of here. It's supposed to be a large sum. You know what I'm saying? Along that line, I can't talk too much. You know how that goes. But I'm going to tell it how I'm going to tell it. For sure. But it's like just with that. So I'm like, So I'm just like, man, I didn't want to be in his presence. And it's like, I was kind of like staying inside. I was like, man, it's not even stuff I'm really not even doing that I usually do. Like, I mean, I put book reading aside to focus on my business. And then now it's to the point where like I got so many books. And I'm like, I don't even like want to read or haven't got back to reading because this person is just so draining. In my artwork, when was the last time I ever painted a painting? You know, other than face paint. When was the last time I created another face paint? I haven't done that. So it's just like, what the frick, man? What the frick? What the frick? And I'm just like, yo. And I'm like, when was the last time I played chess? I haven't been playing chess. Like my chess piece has dust on it. And it's just dust. It's just sitting there. I got so many things. I got a guitar. I got an electric guitar. I have not played. And it's a guitar. And I got an acoustic guitar. I have not played. I probably got to change the strings. I got to tune it and stuff. And it's just so much stuff. But I'm like, yo, there's so much stuff I could be doing in my life if I just be away from this person. And it's like, I want to go, but it's like, I don't want to leave my stuff behind. And I know you can get more stuff, but it's like, some of these books, I spent every single thing I had. Literally, because I was working at Starbucks. And I would save my money. And when the things I did buy, because I wasn't buying on unnecessary materialism. I was buying it on books, knowledge and stuff, A lot of stuff I got to get back to. I just feel like so drained around. And I'm just like, man, he does things like, as far as like, just to try to start something, just to ignite something. He literally, I have the door open, and he walks out the door, cause I'm staying, getting a breeze and whatnot, and my dog's there. He goes and sees my dog, so he steps real hard in front of him, like he's some type of block, and I'm just like. And then another thing too, when he got past, because I was in the door I was outside of the door, but I was like outside of the door. And when he goes by me, and he rubs past, and I have my elbows up and it like this on my hip, and he goes and hits with my, rubs past on my elbow, and I wasn't moving because he didn't say excuse me, pardon me, or anything like that. So I'm just like, so I stood it there, and then he goes and steps. Hard in front of my dog. And then what I did, I put my foot out in front of his boot, and I hit him, and I hit his boot. And he kept on walking. I'm just like, get the frick up out of here. And you may say that he may have wanted that, but it's like, what you gonna do, bitch ass Negroid? What you gonna do? Bitch ass boy. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do? What the frick you gonna do? Just bitches. They just looking to start something. I mean, no life. I feel like he's so draining. The narcissists are so draining. These people are literally energy vampires, man. Man's gotta get the hell away. So, and this is like, too, as far as like me doing my face paint, I was glad because I haven't done my face paint in literally so long. I kind of just want, the sequence to go away. Because I can just hurry up so I can do this. Because I've been like, every single day I've been checking to see if a large sum is arrived so I can get the frick up out of here. I'm just sick of this, man. I'm sick of this, I'm sick of this. Because, the narcissist, I think a lot of people don't talk about this, the narcissist future fakes. But they don't talk about a narcissist future fakes like, oh, you're going to be out of here. Because I already requested that. I already said that, man, get me out of here. Talking about you're going to be out of here. Yeah, I'm going to give you a car. I've been asked this man over a year to transfer the title of the car in my name. But he won't even transfer it. Oh, he says it's in a shop. And they probably, if he's not paying it, and whatever or whatnot, they probably even took the car, sold it for parts, or chopped, or he even sold the car. And he's trying to make me placate me on like, oh, about the car. But I'm like, frick it, it's in his name, so whatever. So I figured it's in his car. And that's what Rose knew. My biological mother knew when she gave it to, and she transferred it into his name. She transferred it specifically into his name. So it's a game, the car game, whatever. But she knew she couldn't give it to me because they didn't want me to possess that power. Same it is now. Same it is now. They didn't want me to possess that power. Who would have freaking thought, my nigga? Golly. And he keeps trying to scare me, like, oh, you're gonna be this, you're gonna be out, and oh yeah, what are you going? And he's so scared about things. Like, what are you gonna do if they put us out? We put us out. He's scared. I'm not scared. I don't give a frick, nigga. All this stuff that's been going on here, stuff has happened. We guys told you people died in this place. Frick that. Motherfuckers out here. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? Feels real soon. Yeah. But yeah, and this is and this has to do with like my mask, the face paint. I'm sorry. It's like I had to paint, and I painted. I painted black because I needed solidarity. I've been being so solid for so long, but stuff like this, being around a narcissist is most definitely awful. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it to you. You guys know, you guys experienced it, and it's just like they just try to drain the life out of you. Try so desperately to get you to react, and because really you're the one who's so conscious. You're the ones who's conscious of your emotions. You can control your emotions, while they don't. They snap as a button, and they don't really have control over it, so to speak. They only change up when they're in the presence of police or some other figure. Shit, I'm up here. Man, my feather. And this is why I made I drew the black. Because black represents solidarity, carbon paint. And then the red represents the strength. And the orange is fortune. You dig? And the blue represents security. If lots of blues. See, the light represents bliss, lightning. And this is a volcano. This is a volcano erupting. Because even though in a sequence like this, right now, with the change of events that's going on, the fires, the volcanoes erupting, that's the land's doing its work. It's cleansing. It's most definitely going into progress. And I wanted to show that and represent that, forecast that, and as well as the original habitat connected with the land. We are definitely in sequence with the land, aligned with it. We should change as well. So does this know that this is do a process, and it is coming in hand. It is coming in alignment, you dig? Had to get back on our own stuff. Had to do our own ways. Narcissists try to stop you from doing what you love, and then try to do what you love. He says, I have a guitar, I play. He goes out to buy a guitar. He sees the food that I cook, he tries to get the food that I cook. He tries to buy the food that I get and tries to cook the way I cook and tries to literally chop it up and dice it and put it in the Ziplocs the way I do. The Ziploc container or whatever like I do. It's just so irritating, He gets food like he knows that he would never get, like kale. He knows for a fact he wouldn't even get kale. You don't eat kale, bro. You ain't no freaking kale, dog. You don't get that. And the narcissists will never give you credit because they know you're better than them. But they won't ever admit it. but they still want to be around you. They're still so freaking stingy and everything. Yep. Like, he doesn't know anything about kale. He's trying to ask me about health advice because he knows I'm a health coach. You know, I have the ability to heal. He wouldn't wrote on a poster, like a little poster, one of those erasable post-its, that, hey, can he have the healing book, a healing book, healing herbal book, because we know how to heal. He was just sitting there, right, trying to, and that's another thing, they just copy you because I don't talk to this Negro because this is like after he wrote that, before when he told us we're gonna be out, we're gonna be gone, they're gonna be gone, buddy. I'm just like, okay, so I'm just like, all right. So I said, this is like the first time he said it. So I said, all right, since we're gonna be out, I wrote down a note. I said, hey, if we're gonna be out, man, transfer the title in my name as requested. I said that. And I left it there for him. He saw it when he read it. He started laughing. But the bitch ass Negro never transferred the title of my name. Probably sold it, don't have it. But I'm like, the fricker, you can have that bitch. I don't give a frick. I can care less. You know what, man? I talked to, what's her name? I'm sorry, I'm trying to think. Stacy, Trace Face it. And she said, this is how crimes of passion happen. This is how crimes of passion happen. This is exactly how crimes of passion happen. As you see the rain, it's about to rain. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop this video up. But if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We got daily uploads on our YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I was gonna say, we got a business course. If you guys want to start a business, you guys don't have one, you want to learn how to grab one, we have that. They have that course for you in the description box. It's a course I took myself. It's literally the best course I've ever taken. But for sure, you guys get that. You guys get that in the description box. And I also say we got our apparel at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You dig? And our artwork is a lot because you guys seen us craft this, and we getting back on the art. We get back on crafting. You dig? You see the face paint, you see the lightning. You dig? Lands in the land doing this work, nature doing this work out here in nature. You dig? I want to make sure y'all have a great one, y'all. Peace, love, and light.